Gotta bite it. She's trying to chew. She's so silly. Hey, what are you doing?
Chew it.
Oh my God. Hey, it doesn't fit. Oh, look at it. She's trying to get it. She's trying to bite it. Hey, sugar.
It won't fit in there.
I know, she's flipping it, chewing it. She's trying to chew it in half. Her eyeball looks like it's going to sink into her face. Look at her cheek. Hey, oh, what are you doing? Now, look at her. Now she's like, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go over here now. Where am I going to go? Where are you going to go? You going to sit on me and do it? What? What do you want me to do? You want me to put it in my cheek? I don't know what you want me to do. What?